Good day, children. Welcome to our maths class. Lesson number 2, angles. We are going to study angles. What is an angle? I told you, suppose this pencil has one side it is sharp, the other side it is ending. There is an end to this, right? If you compare this with a traffic signal, this traffic signal, suppose it has an arrow, that means you can go in the direction of the arrow, and we call it as a ray. If one pencil is one ray and the other pencil is another ray, then when the two rays join together at a point, at this point, an angle is formed. This is the angle which is formed here. Okay, this angle is formed. So have you understood? This is the angle between the two rays or between the two pencil. I'm holding the pencil like this. I have joined the corners of the pencil. So where is the angle formed? Is it formed here? Is the angle formed here? No, where the two pencils are meeting, this corner angle is formed, and this angle is called a vertex. Vertex. Now if you look at this, the time here is, if you hold this, angle is formed here. Now two scissors are there, a scissor is there, the two arms of a scissor. So the angle is formed like this. If you look at this bird, kingfisher has a fish in the mouth. So the kingfisher has a fish and it's trying to close the mouth. So what is the angle? Angle formed is here, in this corner. The angle is formed here. So angle is formed at the corner. Now suppose this angle, P, Y and R. This is one ray YP. Let's assume this pencil is a ray and the other pencil is also another ray. So if this is the point Y and this is point P, then, and this is Y and this is point R, then at this corner Y, PYR, an angle is formed. And how we name it as angle PYR. Okay. Now here assume this LM is this pencil and MN is this pencil. We keep it like this. Okay. So the angle is formed where? Where is the angle formed? The angle is formed here. Here. This is the angle formed. Now let's keep these two pencils OB and OS like this. OB and OS like this. Where is the angle formed? The angle is formed at this corner where the two pencils are meeting. Where are they meeting? Here. So this corner, this whole thing, starting from one arm, starting from one pencil till you come to the next pencil. Starting from one pencil till you come to the next pencil, this is an angle. An angle is formed here. Now if you keep these two pencils like this, okay, and if you keep your protractor and if you measure it, this is 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle. What is a 90-degree angle called? 90-degree angle is called a right angle. Okay. Now if I keep these two pencils one on top of the other, okay, or next to each other, what is the angle between them? What is the angle here? There is no angle, there is no gap. Okay, there is no gap. So what is this angle? This is a zero angle. What is this? A zero angle. This is a zero angle. Now if we keep this way, is it more than 90 degree? Or when you turn it, how much is this gap? Is this gap 90 degree or less than 90 degree? This gap is less than 90 degree. So what do we call this gap as? An acute angle. We call this gap as an acute angle. When we keep this straight, right straight, then it is a right angle. If we keep this pencil and the other pencil from this is right 90 degree, and if we take it more towards the left hand side, so from here if you measure this corner, it is more than 90 degree, so we call it as obtuse angle. Now if we keep these two pencils like this, what is the angle between them? If we start from here and go up to here, if we keep the protractor, we will see it's a straight angle. Straight angle. It is 180 degree angle. Now if we, from the straight angle, if we turn this little down, then starting from this pencil, you go up to here, this is called a reflex angle. From here, starting till here, it is more than 180 degree. This is called a reflex angle. Okay, and again we come back here. If we start from here, we move say 45 degree, then say 90 degree, then more than 90 degree, then 180 degree, and more than 270 degree, and when we come back here, we complete one circle. It is 360 degrees. Starting from here, it goes around and complete one circle. It is 360 degree. It is complete angle. Reflex angle. Straight angle. So, children, we have a zero angle where the gap between the two pencils is 0. Okay. Then we have keeping one in place and move the other pencil from here till here is less than 90 degree. So this will be an acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Then an angle formed in figure C from here till here, an angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. An angle formed by an obtuse angle from here till the other is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Now when the two sticks or the two pencils are straight, the angle formed from one point, one pencil to the other is 180 degree. It is a straight line. This is a straight line. So one straight line, what is measure of a straight line? Measure of a straight line is 180 degree. How? 90 degree plus another 90 degree is 180 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Now here we keep one pencil and move the other pencil from here till straight and down. This is reflex angle. More than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay. Now if we have a complete angle, from here we go here and we come like this. It's a complete angle. It is 360 degree. Okay. So now how many types of angle we have learned? One is zero angle. Second is acute angle. Third is right angle. Fourth is obtuse angle. Fifth is straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay. So now let us see this. They are plane. Okay. This is a seesaw. It is making an angle with the ground or with this hinges. Look at the picture above and identify the different types of angle. See this. This is what you call a giant wheel in a fair. You sit. It makes, suppose you sit here, then you go here, then you go up highest point, and then you start coming down. So every time you are making an angle. From here you started, you went around, and here you came back. Now let's see practice set. Match the following. Measure of the angle and type of angle. If the measure of angle is 180 degree, 180 degree is like this, straight angle. What it is? It is a straight angle. 240 degree is more than 180 and less than 360 degree. So it is a reflex angle. 360 degree, complete round, it's a complete angle. And 0 is a zero angle. If you look at the figure below and write the type of each of the angle. This angle is less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle. See, till now we have not used a protractor. But I will advise you to use your protractor. Keep the protractor 0 and 90 degree here. 0 here. And you will come to know how much it is. This is 90 degree. The angle measure between this is 90 degree. This is from here till here is more than 90 degrees obtuse angle. This is a straight angle, measure is 180 degree. This is a zero angle. There is a zero angle. There is now no gap between these pencils. Okay. And here, now the pencil is moving from here till here. It's a complete angle. So now it says use a protractor to draw an acute angle, a right angle, and an obtuse angle. Take any measure. Suppose you want to draw an acute angle. Take measure 45 degree and try. Right angle 90 degree and draw. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree, say 105 degree. And draw. Children, you are never wrong. So you will draw it, and you are very intelligent. You will draw it very well. I know. Okay. Now measure of some of the angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. 75 degree is 75 is less than 90. So it is an acute angle. 0 is a zero angle. 215 is more than 180 degree. So it's a reflex angle. 360 complete angle. 180 degree straight angle. 120 degree obtuse angle more than 90. 148 is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. So it will be an obtuse angle. And 90 degree is an right angle. Okay. So children, please complete this exercise. Practice set 2 in your homework book. Okay. Thank you. Again, I will just go back and quickly recap. What are angles? 3 different types of angles are given here. These are less than 90, less than, what is this? These are acute angles. Okay. What is the vertex of an angle? This corner is the vertex of the angle. Here Y is the vertex. Here M is the vertex. And here O is the vertex. Okay. The arms of the angle. YP is the arm and YR is the arm of the angle. In this LM is the arm and MN is the arm. And here OB is the arm and OS is the arm. Arms of an angle. This child has written wrong. So arm is this. These are the arms of the angles. This pencil, suppose. Each arm, one arm and the other arm. Okay. Now here we have seen when the pencils are together, there is no gap, no angle. So it's a zero angle. When a pencil is moved like this, less than 90 degree, it's an acute angle. 90 degree, it is a right angle. More than 90 degree is 180 degree, then straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Okay, so please draw these angles and write down what type of angle it is. Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Please draw this and name it. After that, complete this practice set in your homework book. Okay, thank you children.